Hey guys, welcome to this wagon.
I hate this voice. That's loud.
A little. Yeah, that's. Should probably have changed that. Turn it down a bit.
Wow.
Rinwell's a pretty funny game.
What a cool little story.
Yeah,
Does the little one die?
just like all family movies, it begins with either. It begins with a happy little introduction,
So true.
and then,
Perish.
rain.
Oh.
By the way, the rain is strong enough to bend steel in this.
Wow. That's strong rain. Bye bye.
Oh no, small child is gone.
Deserved.
Now, normally we'd be a small child, but you are a axolotl on drugs, and I am a person who blows everything up.
I love drugs.
Good. All right, let's go.
Ready to win. Here we go. Whee! Can you like backflip? Yeah.
Yep. Your backflip's a little bigger than mine.
A little.
All right, there's plenty of complicated movement tricks. Like, watch this. Okay. I mean, you won't have to do most of them because you're
Because I'm that guy.
like,
You are hungry. Find food. Just like in real life.
yeah. Circle is probably your throw button.
Circle. Okay.
Oh, I probably shouldn't eat the fruit. They have half, or they have a quarter of a pip of food for me. What?
Whoopsies.
Who's not who? You're holding on to me like a. Touch it way down. What? Press down. Go. All right. Look at this. I can literally carry you. All right. For this part, we're required to charge jump. Just tap down, hold jump, wait for your back to arch, and then
That's
go over.
that's completely wild.
Yeah. Or you can just do that.
Oh,
Oh,
get. Ooh.
yeah. And rain will just kill us straight up.
Oh, fun. Wee. Let me in.
Now, if you press jump while going out of a pipe like that, then you'll go way faster.
Oh.
Oh, I have a concussion blast, by the way.
Ow. Ow.
You stuck. All right, way down. Yep. Wow, you're very good at translating these rune symbols.
I know, right?
I'm going to do that very many times, Steve, over the course of this adventure. Sometimes out of spite, mostly just for fun.
Oh. Thanks for the warning. Ooh. A weapon.
Uh, beware, there is friendly fire.
That's crazy.
You will have to carry me to the next shelter. And I have a bomb. Yeah, my characters can make bombs. That's their whole thing.
I've played this game zero much.
Yeah. And my sister has played it too much more.
Okay.
Oh, spear.
I think I'm gonna need that pounce jumper to. Okay, never mind.
Got these are. Let me get some.
I'm struggling.
All right. Here's your spear.
Ugh.
Get out of my hand. Let's go.
Food.
All right, eat that shit.
Uh-oh. I got him.
You got too close.
In my defense, I said I got him, and then you get him.
No, he's stealing your body.
Just kill him.
Yeah, their heads are protected, by the way.
I think he's dead.
Yeah, he's dead. The music stopped. And I will feast on his corpse. And
Oh wow.
here you on. How do you feel?
Dead.
That's a fair assessment.
Oh, there's a purple boy.
Yeah, they all below.
What his name happened to be William.
Our name would happen to be dead now.
Let's do that again.
Yeah.
Nothing bad could ever happen.
Nothing bad ever happens to the Kennedys.
Kennedy's nut.
You can't finish your one-liner.
They call me Mr. Fist. Don't hit me with that one.
There is an arena mode, by the way, where we can just beat the shit out of each other.
Yeah, like this. Oh, oh, I thought you just stabbed me.
No. I'm not that cruel. I'm only unusual.
Ugh.
Oh, by the way, if I use my ability too much, I literally just blow up and die.
I have a weapon, so we can make that happen earlier.
Ah,
Okay.
remember, these aren't worth anything for me. I'll defend the gates. Excuse me. Okay. Ah, help. Alright. And now we're at full food. Or, wait, no, you already died to full food. Here, let me get you a spear. Yep. Do it up. Alright, let's go.
This way.
Indeed.
Oh boy.
Peace.
Uh-oh, I'm too fast.
Hey, someone see a cool trick?
Yeah.
This is not the cool trick. I'm rusty, and I can't do backflips on these small boxes easily.
Whoa.
Basically, if you do a backflip and throw a spear down, it acts as a pole.
I got it.
Also, combat is not required. Oh, and also, these guys are mostly passive, unless they are hungry or you attack them first. By the way, you can go through that thing on the left.
Oh.
If you go backwards, you go slower. So you can press jump while in it to make yourself go, not backwards. All right, let's head over here. All right, I think this is the correct way. Watch out, there are pole mimics, by the way. They will drag you to the depths of hell.
Well, sounds like a fun time.
All right. Hey, yep. You did the maneuver. All right, now let's head out of here.
What is this thing?
Don't mess with the noodles. You know what?
What?
They have a mother, and the mother has a spear.
Oh. Okay, we should probably, move.
Yeah. All right, get down.
Oh. I'm too fast. I'm too fast for my own good. Oh boy.
By the way, that's a pole mimic to the left. You see that thing?
Oh yeah.
Just don't grab it, okay?
Okay. Ugh.
Yeah.
Can I hit it?
Oh, watch out! There's a wizard right here. He's just ignoring my existence, I guess. Going after you. Here you go, buddy.
Thank you. Thanks.
All right, let's go.
Can I?
Don't mess with it. Don't waste your spear on it. It doesn't give you anything.
Okay. I just kind of clocked it in the head and, and moved on with my life.
Watch out. There's another home mimic down here. Just slowly go down. You see that? Hey, look at what's gonna happen to that wizard. Even the mighty wizard. When we're grabbed by it.
Oh.
Yeah, you need that to happen to you. Don't touch him.
Ugh. He's disgusting.
No, stay away from it. We know. Hey, there's a shelter right here.
Oh, I didn't notice it.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Just get in.
Go, 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 go. Okay.
There we go. Now that was a pretty simple journey with no who's and ha's.
Yep. We're in the early area, by the way. The easiest area.
Easy.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, he's still
Okay, so
there.
that little monster. Just go up around it. Here, take this. Just hold on to it for extra food later.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna puke up a bomb real quick.
Huh?
I swallowed a rock earlier, and it turns into a bomb whenever I swallow a rock.
Oh.
Although it costs 100.
Oh.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Ooh.
Alright, so down is the waterways, and the waterways are bad because I will blow up if I go through them.
Why?
Because most sweatpants have about 10-second timer or so on their oxygen. I have a 4-second timer.
Oh.
Plus, if whenever my timer runs out, I don't slowly start to die. I explode.
Fun. Ooh, there's a lizard down there.
Yeah.
I'm too fast.
There you go.
In here.
Don't like the noises you're making, but okay.
Oh, ready for this?
Hey,
Ready
watch.
for this sick trick? uh. I'm an expert in running away.
I'm an expert in explosives. Instead.
Oh, that was fast.
Okay. Bombs are overpowered. Oh wait, no, it's not dead.
He ain't dead.
It's very injured though. As you can see, it's spazzing the fuck out.
I got one more in me. All right, Rufus. I got him.
Oh, sorry. Purple wizards die fighting, or they die fighting though. So yeah. Oh, did you get it?
I don't think I did.
Oh, whoops.
It's fine. Fuck him up.
No, it's already dead.
Okay.
Here's a gift.
What's that?
A bomb.
Ooh.
Don't use it on anything closer than like within 10 feet of you. So what do you think of this game so far?
I'm scared. Up. We
Yes.
shall ascend.
Alright, now we go even further up, even further beyond.
To what?
I don't know. I don't know all the lore behind this game. There's too much of it.
Sea.
You can get off my back now.
You know, I think I'm good.
Alright.
No, I'm not. I'm not good.
There you go. Realize that's only possible with Ridgeway.
Coyote jump.
There's a bit of that. Ah! My head. Alright. Pick up your spear. And let's head out.
Ugh. Ugh.
You're crawling backwards.
Ooh. Can I wall jump?
It looked a little ridiculous, but
This?
you did indeed wall jump. Yep, this. Hopefully we have the high enough clearance for it. We do not. Alright, we gotta rest again.
Oh. Okay.
Weird. That was really fast. I think they just realized why they went. Hello?
Hello?
You gotta pick up your stuff?
No. Eh. Wee.
I think with a bat whip you'd be able to get up here, but it's gonna be wet tight.
You know me.
Okay.
Ugh.
There you go.
Huh.
Go.
Oh.
Alright, I got it. Bitch. You can kill me. Alright, let's go. Yep.
Another one. Run. I got him. If he comes up here, I got him. Oh,
There's another one.
hit him. Huh.
Alright, go.
Ah! I wanted to fight him.
Are you alive still?
Oh, maybe.
Pick up the spear and hit it.
I missed.
Hit it with something. No.
Wrong
That's
thing.
wrong.
Uh-oh.
Press space to get the screen back on you. You have to hit it before it goes to the shelter in the bottom left. Or hit it. No. It's gonna put me into the death. Oh wait, it went the wrong way. Alright, go.
I'm dead. Ah!
Okay, now we're mad to death. You shouldn't have fought it.
I wanted to fight it.
Now we have to rest again.
I wanted to fight it.
Alright. This is why you don't fight everything you see. Alright, we're going back straight back to sleep. Get up here.
But I love crime. Well, that went well.
You got us killed.
I disagree. I wanted to fight it. Oh.
Your explosive privileges have been revoked. You realize that I did 2 explosions.
That's a lot of explosions. Whee!
Yes, it is.
Alright, ready to win this fight next time?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna fight this green lizard.
Alright, have fun with that. If I throw an explosion at it while you're in its mouth, by the way, you will die.
Ugh. Well,
Oh, you're just permadead.
that sounds like an iPhone notification. I don't like it.
God damn it.
You know me.
I blame you.
So it seems like when I've taken a fight, we kind of die.
Alright, and let's start this thing.
Are you ready to? Oh boy,
Oh, I'm route safe for some reason. What?
what is happening? Oh god. Ah!
You threw a bomb at me, okay.
I did.
Yeah.
I didn't mean to. Alright, I'm gonna go kill this thing.
Good luck with that.
Uh-oh.
Especially when you're about to die to a octopus centipede. By the way, centipedes are one of the main types of enemies.
What is that thing?
That's a scavenger. Oh, the bottom left or which one?
Ah!
So you learn the hard way. You don't do that.
What was that?
That was the Leviathan, and you got on its bad side. You don't blow yourself up.
What do you mean?
If you do it, keep doing that. Actually,
Whee!
just keep on doing it, no matter how many times it starts to knock you out. Oh, the rain's about to come. Keep doing it. It will help save you.
Run.
So you didn't get enough points to get into the shelter. Points are down from killing things or eating stuff.
Leviathan. Ugh. Ugh. The rain can't get me under here.
Oh, that's for now. Oh, it's starting to drown you, actually.
I win. All right, let's do it.
All right. This is a bit of a mess, but it'll work. Oh,
I'm scared. Oh boy.
that's right. Ow. Remember, hold grab and you summon your own spears. Did you just jump off? Oh, no, you didn't jump off the edge.
Help. I'm dead.
Mm.
Ugh.
I had no choice. I was dead.
What was that?
That was the spider centipede.
Oh,
You see how it was wrapping around me?
disgusting.
Yeah, they're hoarders.
Okay.
Oh,
Already? Alright, I got this. Ah.
it's targeting me. Oh no 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 no.
Uh.
I may or may not have been blown up by something. You can make your own spears.
Ugh. Ew. Come back. What does that do?
It gave you a little bit of food, which gives you points.
Ew, I don't like that sound effect.
You can make 2 of them, by the way, not just 1. Also, it's literally like it's like forcing its bones out of its tail.
Oh, I thought it was doing something else.
That was making a giant solidified ship.
I'm gonna hit that bat.
You missed.
I missed. Ew. Disgusting.
So, how'd that rain? Hey, you got one of the bats.
I'm alive. Help.
There's no helping. Only rain.